Hi, my name is Levina Sania Namaka. My number master is 20DAC 25F1029. I'm from class DAC 2A. Good day, my name is Levina Sania Namaka. I'm currently pursuing a diploma in accounting at Mukah, Sarawak Polytechnic. I have strong interest in accounting field and I hope to build my career in accounting and finance, particularly in positions such as an account executive. During my studies, I have gained a solid foundation in accounting. I learned how to prepare and analyze financial statements, including the income statement, statement of financial position, and cash flow statement. I have also developed knowledge in bank reconciliation and financial reporting, which are important in ensuring financial records are accurate and well organized. In terms of technical skills, I am proficient in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word, especially for handling data entries, spreadsheets, and financial calculations. I am also a detail-oriented person and I always try to ensure that my work is accurate and well organized. In addition, I have analytical and problem-solving skills that help me understand financial information and complete accounting tasks effectively. Throughout my academic journey, I completed several accounting projects where I prepare and analyze financial statements. This project helped me apply the accounting knowledge that I learned in class. I also participated in an accounting quiz organized by Heriot-Watt University, which allowed me to college my accounting knowledge and analytical skills. In addition, I achieved runner-up in the project-based learning competition 2024, where my team presented a project related to accounting and business analysis. As a fresh graduate, I am eager to gain more experience and continue learning in the accounting field. I am committed to contributing my knowledge and skill to an organization while developing my professional career. Thank you for your time and considerations.